will be needed in your program, and then declare what you need. For example, I declared character metric 9 for the row and column of tic-tac-toe games. As you know, tic-tac-toe game have 3 column and 3 rows, and that's why I declared from number 1 to number 9. And then in the main body, I declared the initialization of the player. For example, I have mark, player, win, and choice. And I declared the player 1, player 2, and this player with string. If you are using string, you have to use the standard library header file string in your program. And then this will be the output at my program. Okay, this is the code for the player to enter the number for the column that they want. I have declared the player, assign it to 1, and if the player modulus 2 true, it will display player 1, else it will display to player 2. And then you see out the displayer, either player 1 or player 2. It will show in their names and enter number, and the player will enter what number that he or she want to fill in the tic-tac-toe matrix. When the player entered the number, it will be stored in choice. And then this is the code or line, mark equal to player modulus 2 equal to 1, question mark x o, and semicolon. It basically evaluate if player modulus 2 equal to 1 is true, then x is selected. If it is false, o will be selected. It is same as the conditional if that I use here. It's same. I also can use this if conditional, replace it with this line, and I'll continue. And this is the matrix tic-tac-toe that user to want to make a move is choice 1, and matrix is equal to 1, matrix 0 equal to marks, and if all of this is false, it will see out invalid move. And then okay, just go to see out the wins or draw. If win same to 1 equal to 1, and this it will see out the displayer name, and wins game over. Else if not equal to 1, it will see out draw, try again. On the draw, this is the function call. It will go to here, draw function. This is the tic-tac-toe matrix, that is the 3 column and 3 rows. I'm using system CLS in the draw body. System CLS is for clearing the screen. If it means the tic-tac-toe matrix will not be repeated. If you utilize the code system CLS, the standard library header file stdlib or stdlib is needed. You need to use the header file, if not it cannot be run. And then this is the matrix. Okay, this is the check win function definition. It has been called here. The player will win if, and this is the function call of check win, and it goes down here. The player will win if the matrix 1 equal to matrix 2 and matrix 2 equal to matrix 3. That means that the row is in diagonal or horizontal or vertical. The player will be win, as you know in tic-tac-toe games. If you win, you have if the player win it or not, it will return to 0. Okay, I will run the program. Okay, this is the program, and you need to enter the player name. Okay, this is the row and column tic-tac-toe matrix, and the player 1 is Lily and player 2 is Adina. Okay, I will enter a number. As you can see, matrix 3 is equal to matrix 5 and matrix 5 is equal to matrix 7. You can see here matrix 3 equal to 5, 5 equal to 7, and the condition is true, so the player 1 Lily is win, and it's game over.